not every trader or investor will make money. So, my dear crypto traders, what's the aftermath of this crash? I heard about the Ukrainian crypto trader, Konstantin Galish, who lost over $30 million as a result of the flash crash that happened from the trade wars. It's crazy. And unfortunately committed suicide. May so rest in peace. Right? So usually this is why we emphasize on proper risk management. We emphasize on knowing exactly what you're doing, not over leveraging in the market, and if it's possible, do not use leverage at all. Spot trading, buy your asset, you can hold as an asset. Okay, so unfortunate. And not only Konstantin, I heard there were many other traders that committed suicide. It's so unfortunate. But unfortunately, the fact is that not every trader or investor will make money, even in real estate. So the financial market, investing, is basically a vehicle for wealth to be transferred from dumb money to smart money. A vehicle for wealth to be transferred from inexperienced traders to experienced traders. So what can you do as an investor, be it financial markets, be it real estate, be it business? Ensure that you know your onions, practice proper risk management, and if you know what you're doing, you should be on the winning side, right? In life, in investing in financial markets, you have the 1% of the 1%, you have the 5%, you have the 10%, all right? In investing in business, most people do not make it. The few who know what they're doing are the ones that make it. So what's the aftermath? What's going on after the crash? There is now a lot of risk aversion. A lot of people, usually there's risk on and risk off mode. When economies are doing well, we are in risk on mode. People are happy to invest in stocks, crypto, real estate, business, and finance. But when there are economic shocks like this, we go into what we call a risk off mode, meaning people start pulling out money from risky assets like crypto, like stocks, and all of that, and move them into safe havens like gold, maybe real estate, and wherever, money is safe. So where we are now, we are risk averse. Everyone is scared about putting money in the markets. There's reallocation of funds. Massive funds has moved out of crypto. And there might be tighter controls, tighter regulations, right? Call for tighter regulations to ensure that even if crashes happen, they are not frequent and they are minimal. But right now, market is gaining stability. It always gains stability. Market is gaining stability. Price is somewhere around 112,000, and people are going about their trading and investing as usual. So right now, that is where we are. We look at how the governments are going to react to this, how the regulators are going to react to this, and this calls for more tighter regulations to ensure that there's trust and confidence in the market, basically. Also, volatility remains high. Volatility is the name of the game. Volatility is why crypto remains a very, very profitable opportunity. If there's no volatility, then profit is limited. So volatility is still on in the market, and that's what crypto traders are living for. Okay, so in summary, there's been a little bit of loss of trust in the crypto market. There's risk aversion. We are now in risk off mode. Capital has moved out of the crypto market and still moving out of the crypto market. We're getting some stability, but we can't say for sure if this is going to be the beginning of recovery to all-time highs or expect further crashes. So you need to do your homework. My name is Victor Ofort. I'm a financial market expert. I've been trading the financial market for the last 23 years. So if you want more expert tips on how to trade and invest with peace of mind, ensure you're following me.